This is a quick look at the IBRA LED TV wall mount kit. So this is for obviously really thin TVs. It mounts at 2 points on the wall and then 2 points on the Visa mount on the back of the TV. All the specs for how much weight it can hold are on the web, and the different types of Visa mount that it can actually attach to. But what we're going to have a look at is what's in the box. What do you get? Now it's more nicely packaged than I thought it would be. I thought it would just be a bag of screws and attachments, but it looks quite nice there. So open that up, and what we've got, these are the ones that go in the wall. Those are quite nice. Not that you're ever going to see them, but they look kind of shiny. Kind of like the Samsung ones that you can get that are much more highly priced. Now this was £10 in a flash sale on Amazon, but usually goes for about £14 or £15. This attaches to the bottom right of the TV and kind of comes out and lets you sort of get behind the back of the TV, pulling it forward slightly. And a little spacer for the other side. And then that attaches to the back of the TV on the Visa mount connection. And then you kind of hook the TV over the top like a picture frame. Okay, underneath some of the bolts. I assume these are all the wall ones because it begins with a W. Must do. It seems logical. And then M. I don't know why it's M, but yeah, I would reckon these are all for the wall. I don't know what size that is. M6, M8. M6, because these are M8 that go in the back of the TV. Right, so there's nothing more to that. A bunch of spacers to push the brackets out a bit. What else we got? So these little bolts go onto the wire, so you get the right length on here, get it to the right level, and then you bolt that in place. Use the little tiny screwdriver, tiny little wrench there to tighten those into place. Not sure what that might be for. And actually instructions. Which actually are much more comprehensive than I thought they would be. I thought you'd be on your own trying to figure this out, but it's not bad. So, well, that's what you get. I'm not going to attempt the installation on this video. I may do it as a separate video at some point, so watch the comments for a link to that if I've done one. So there you go. Thanks for watching.